Ensuring Accurate Citations, a guide to best practices. Hello learners. Today, we are diving deep into a critical aspect of academic writing, ensuring accuracy and consistency in your citations. Remember, reliable citations not only make your writing credible but also protect you from unintentional plagiarism. Let's uncover the best practices to make your citations spot on. When we talk about accuracy in citations, we mean providing the correct information about the sources from which you've borrowed ideas or quotes. Misquoting or wrongly attributing a source can mislead readers, compromise the integrity of your work, lead to accusations of plagiarism. Therefore, being meticulous is key. Automated citation tools can be a godsend, but 1. They are not always 100% accurate. 2. They might format citations incorrectly. 3. Sometimes, they might miss vital details. Relying entirely on them without a manual check can be risky. Let's discuss some effective strategies. 1. Double-check. After using a citation tool, always review each citation manually. Ensure all details, author's name, publication date, page numbers, are correct. 2. Consistent formatting. Stick to one citation style throughout your document, whether it's APA, MLA, Chicago, or any other. 3. Organize your sources. Keep a dedicated folder for all your sources. It will save you time and reduce chances of errors when citing. 4. Cross-reference. If possible, cross-check details with other databases or the original source. Citation styles like APA or MLA occasionally get updated. Hence, 1. Stay informed. Regularly check official style guide websites or academic institutions for updates. 2. Recheck old works. If you're reusing an older work, ensure the citations still comply with the most recent standards. Citations are more than just a formality. They're a testament to the diligence and integrity of your research process. While automated tools can assist, remember to always have the human touch to guarantee accuracy. We hope this video helps you in crafting flawless citations. Happy writing!